So hello guys, this is Mahfouz teaching you all mathematics. Welcome back to my new video. So आज की वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं मैथ्स ओलंपियाड क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ए फन वन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर वीडियो. हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है x टू द पावर 2025 इक्वल टू 2025. तो यहाँ पे हमें x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. वी नीड टू फाइंड x. सो कैसे फाइंड करें इसको? तो सबसे पहले मैं बोलूँगा ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट वंस और ट्वाइस फॉर एटलीस्ट 10 मिनट so that it would help you to develop your brain and then you can watch this full video. So let's get started with our question. So in the question it is asked to find the value of x in this given context. x to the power 2025 equal to 2025. So over here we need to find x. It is not important that x belongs to integer only. Over here in this equation x belongs to real number. It is not necessary that it have to be integer or something like that. So overall x is a real number. So what I'm going to do is I am going to consider this x to the power 2025 to be y. So I'm going to consider this as y. Now see what happens. So I have considered x to the power 2025 equal to y. So what we are going to get is x is equal to y to the power 1 divided by 2025. This is something we are going to get, which is very great for us. Why is it great? We are going to understand very soon. So from this our equation is going to be x to the power y is equal to 2025. So let's rewrite it down. Our equation is x to the power y is equal to 2025. Now let's convert this whole equation in terms of y only because हमें x का ज़रूरत हमने मतलब x को y x to the power 2025 को y पकड़ा. अभी अगर हम दो वेरिएबल में सॉल्व करने का ट्राई करें दिस इक्वेशन को तो इट विल बिकम वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर अस. सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं x को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई टू रिप्लेस दिस. वी आर ट्राइंग टू रिप्लेस x. सो x का वैल्यू हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड कर लिया है. देखो हम जब x टू द पावर 2025 को y माना है तब x का वैल्यू आ गया हमारे पास y टू द पावर 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2025. सो दैट इज द रीज़न I am trying to replace x as y to the power 1 by 2025. So abhi I am going to replace this x by this value. So let's just put the value of x. So the value of x is y to the power 1 divided by 2025 whole to the power y is equal to 2025. So यहाँ से हमें मिलता है y to the power y divided by 2025 is equal to 2025. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are going to raise 2025 in both the sides. We are going to accommodate all the variables in one side and all the numbers in the other side. Okay, that's what we are trying to do. So let's do it. We are raising 2025 both the side as power, so it will become y to the power y is equal to 2025 to the power 2025. Now see what happened. In both the sides we are getting the base and power to be equal, right? We're getting the base and power to be equal. Over here it's y to the power y and on the RHS हमें मिला है 2025 to the power 2025. So यहाँ से हम डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हैं कि y has to be 2025. y has to be 2025. एंड अगर आप आगे देखते हैं हमने क्या किया था, x को y to the power 1 by 2025 माना था. तो फ्रॉम दिस लेट्स पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y. हमने माना था x to the power 2025 को y, राइट? हमने ऊपर में माना था x to the power 2025 को y. सो मैंने पहले ये लिख लिया। अभी y के जगह में आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस x to the power 2025 because we need to find the value of x, right? So x to the power 2025 becomes 2025। यहाँ से हमारा x का वैल्यू आता है 2025 to the power 1 by 2025 and that's our answer. Hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then kindly like it, share it with your friends and others. So with this I end over here. Thank you.